Alright guys, so here's the Ms460 54mm build. Sorry about the voice, I just had surgery yesterday, so it'll come and go on me a little bit. But yeah, here's the Ms460 54mm pop-up build. A lot of people asked, how's that running? I haven't done a video in a while on it, but I ride this all the time. Since this rebuild, I'm actually I think that's the third back tire, second front tire. So, what do we got on it? We got 112 hours on that engine already. So, yeah, I mean, it's definitely been run. You got to realize, though, I did the timing videos and how to build these and why people have problems and so forth. And yeah, you take a look at all of it if you're going to build one, because if you do it the right way, these things will last and last like crazy. But yeah, I'm still using the power jet carb, so the 21mm. Right now we are running, what is that, 32 tooth back sprocket. Those are 220 disc brakes on there. So I can run, what was it, 38 tooth all the way down. And then that's about it. I'm using a jog pipe. Got that all done. Did copper gaskets for that. Everything's been running great. I run 32-1. Just regular gas. No non-ethanol, any of that crap. I got a number 8 plug in it, which is like perfect. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, this thing cruises. It's been a great bike. It's usually my go-to run around bike. But you know, long distance anyways. I usually take the 4-stroke short distance. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that, give you an update. But yeah, we just hit 112 hours. And this thing's still running strong. Alright, let's get this going.